Hello friends, let's see how to solve this type of question, this type of function. Okay, now we will use here this one formula here. If y is a function m power n, then dy by dx or y dash equals to same function we will write m power n. Then we'll start a bracket, then n by m means n by m, then derivative of this function, that is m dash, plus then after this we will use the derivative of n function n, then log of m or log m. By using this formula we can solve any function within few seconds, maximum of 3 to 5 seconds. So let us see how to solve. Y dash equals to same function we will write here for this. Let us start now. Same function m power n means cos x whole power log x. Now n by m, here n means this. We will write n by m. We will write now. The n means log x, by m means cos x. Then derivative of this function. So derivative of this cos x will be minus sin x, plus then derivative of n dash. N means that is log x. Log x means 1 by x. Now log m means cos x. This is the first part. Now plus. Now after this, for the second part I will write plus here. Then let us repeat the same method. M power n, we'll start from this, x power 2x, then we'll start the bracket, n by m means 2x by x, then derivative of x means will be 1, plus then derivative of n means that is 2x will be what, 2, and log m means here x means just x. Friends, let us take the second example. This is the y equals to this function. This one, what we'll do, y equals to sine of log x plus x power x minus 1. Here we can write this thing, x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. Now this is x power 1 by x. So again we will use the same formula. Let us, if y equals to m power n, then first we will write derivative of y will be m power n, then we'll start the bracket, n by m, then derivative of m, plus derivative of n, then log of m. This is the formula we will use, and it will take hardly 5 seconds to find the answer. Now let us start y dash. As per this m power n, for this we will use sine power log x, n by m means log x, by m means sin x, then derivative of this will be what, cos x, plus derivative of n means log x means 1 by x, then log of m means sin x. This is the first part. Now plus we will find the derivative of the second part. Same way we will find y dash equals to this one. Let us solve this part. X power 1 by x, brackets, you can start the bracket, then now n by m means 1 by x, derivative of x will be 1, plus n dash means derivative of 1 by x will be minus 1 by x square, then log m means again x. You can simplify further, like cos x by sin x will be cot x, and 1 by x means it will be 1 by x square, and this you can simplify. This is the final solution.